The GOAT, Air Jordan, Black Jesus. Ilan lang yan sa mga bansag na ibinigay kay Michael Jordan. Sa tuwing aapak si Michael Jordan sa basketball court ay panigurado na may mga ipapahiya siya, lalo na ang mga mayayabang. Si Michael Jordan ay na-draft bilang pangatlo sa overall 1984 NBA draft at sa ngayon, siya na ay isang 14 times NBA All-Star, 1-time Defensive Player of the Year, 5 times MVP, 6 times Finals MVP, 6 times NBA Champion at marami pang iba bukod sa tinaguriang The GOAT o Greatest of All-Time Player ng NBA. Kumusta mga kaibigan? Sa video natin ngayon ay ating pag-uusapan ang mga pagkakataon na pinahiya ni Michael Jordan ang kanyang kalaban. Subukan din natin na makakuha ng 1,000 likes para sa video na ito. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na ito, ay welcome to Zaldi TV. At kung ikaw ay interesado sa mga kaibang impormasyon, mag-subscribe ka lamang sa channel na ito at i-hit ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos natin. Noong magretiro si Michael Jordan sa pangalawang pagkakataon matapos ang pangalawang three-peat, na-draft ng Chicago Bulls si Corey Benjamin bilang 28th pick at dito nagsimulang magyabang si Corey at sinabi na kaya na niyang talunin ang 36 years old noong si Michael Jordan sa larong basketball ng one-on-one. Sa pag-aakala ni Corey na hindi ito maririnig ni MJ, isang araw ay biglang nagpakita si Jordan sa practice ng Bulls at hindi na nagsayang ng oras si Jordan at hinamon si Corey ng one-on-one. Sa pagkakataon na iyon ay alam na ng lahat kung ano ang mangyayari kaya umupo na lamang sila at nanood.
What's the score?
8-3. 8-3.
It's 8-3. That's what Come on, right back over there. Come on, right back over there. Come on, follow me. You can't protect me when you reach, I teach. You got that. All day. Look around you, man. Look around you. What you see when you see around you? Look. Look around you. You didn't have nothing to do with it. What is that? That's a team one?
Hindi lamang ito ang pagkakataon kung saan may ipinahiya ang retiradong si Michael Jordan.
Playing in my camp against O.J. Mayo. He was a top high school kid coming out, and I never met him first time. In front of my camp, he starts this thing about you can't guard me, you can't do this. You know, I got my campers here, so I can't really go where I want to go because of my camp. So I stop the camp, send the kids to bed. We go back to playing. And he starts his whole thing, you know, that you can't guard me, you can't do this. So from this point on, it's a lesson. And from that point on, it was a lesson. He never won a game. I posted him up. I did everything. If I can ever show you that film, if you can ever ask him that, ask him about the thing that happened at my...
he's backing me down, said, better scream for mama, his mama, hit the famous fadeaway on me, and, Mike was Mike.
Sa tingin ko ay wala pa sigurong natututo sa mga pangyayaring ito. Isa lang ang sigurado, hindi mo pwedeng pagsabihan si Jordan ng hindi magaganda kagaya na lamang ni Dikembe Mutombo.
My boy, who gets Scotty?
Puts it off the glass. Nope, Luke tipped it out. Michael get it forward to the fresh shot clock. MJ. Oh, he did it! Hey, Michael shakes the finger, but he finally got his dunk on Mount Mutombo.
He never dunked on you. He never put you on the highlight.
No.
No?
He said, I would love to give you my poster, but it's not happening.
It's not gonna happen. You know he's lying.
Hindi naging matunog ang salitang Air Jordan nang walang dahilan. At panigurado, madami na siyang nilagay sa mga highlights dahil sa mga pambihira nitong dunks.
Screen splits him. And Jordan go bursting down around Walker. Marley. Jordan. Here he comes. Michael down the Janinsky. Jordan. Oh, into the rack. Michael to the hoop. What a throw! Jordan was bearing down.
Noong sinabi ng rookie na si Brian Russell na kaya na niyang gwardyahan si Michael Jordan, ay dito na naman kinailangan ni MJ na patunayan na may mali sa rookie na ito.
Yeah, Brian Russell. When I was playing baseball, Utah was in town to play the Bulls. And this kid, Brian Russell, comes up to me and said, "Man, why you quit? Why you quit? Man, you knew I could guard your ass. I couldn't. You had to quit." I said, "Carl, you need to talk to this dude, man." But from that point on, he's been on my list.
Sa dokumentaryong tungkol kay Jordan, mapapansin na wala atang hindi pinersonal si Michael Jordan gaya na lamang nito.
But I'm not getting into a war of words with Mike.
Clyde was a threat. I'm not saying he wasn't a threat, but me being compared to him, I took offense to that.
And then here come the second one. The third one.
Michael Jordan with 4 3-pointers and a halftime. NBA championship record, 35 points in the half.
I was like, I'm killing.
Hindi ko alam kung kilala ninyo sila Bradford Smith, pero isa siya sa mga nakatikim ng bagsik ni Jordan sa laro. Sa isang laro ng Bulls, ang manlalarong sila Bradford Smith ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon para umiskor ng 37 points sa buong laro, samantalang si Jordan ay minalas at halos nahirapan pumuntos sa gabing iyon. Pero hindi ito ang dahilan kung bakit nag-init si Michael Jordan, kundi dahil sa linya na binitawan ni Smith matapos ang laro at sinabi niya ang katagang, "Nice game, Mike." Dahil sa mga sinabi ni Smith ay hindi magiging maganda ang mga susunod na pangyayari. Sa sumunod na laro ay home court naman ng Washington at sinabi ni Jordan na kung ilan ang naging kabuuang score ni Smith sa nakaraang laro nila ay gagawin niya lamang ito sa loob ng unang bahagi ng laro.
Jordan scores 36 in the first half.
He's concentrating almost solely on the Bradford.
He took such umbrage at a guy saying, "Nice game, Mike," that he torched and humiliated him.
Ang susunod namang player sa listahan ni MJ ay si Dan Maharley dahil sa galing ng depensa nito at ayaw niyang sabihin ng ilan na kasing galing siya nito, kaya ginawa niya ito kay Dan.
I put it in my mindset that if I don't do this, then they're going to consider him on the same level as me. And that motivated me to attack.
Suns by 4. Michael has 29. Jordan, there's the penetration. 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, count it. That sounded like a countdown for a launch. Michael beats him on the dribble. We have another tie game. Who do you think's going to take this shot? Michael Jordan. You think so? He has 39. Timeout.
Ang tinaguriang flu game, Game 5 noong 1997 NBA Finals, nang misteryosong sa gabi bago ang kanilang laro, may 5 tao ang pumunta sa hotel room ni Jordan na may dalang pizza, pero naging kahina-hinala ang mga ito. Pero kinain pa rin nila ang pizza sa kanya at ginawa nga niya ito sa team ng Utah Jazz.
Michael to back. Jordan. Yes. Fires for. Yes. Shot clock at 7. Jordan shooting. Yes. Lead. Bulls have missed their last 6 shots. Jordan. Yes. On a set. Here's Jordan.
Nagpamala si Jordan ng 38 points, 7 rebounds at 5 assists para makakuha ng 3-2 lead sa series na iyon. Para magawa yon, kahit may dinadamdam na sakit ay talaga namang masasabi mong si Jordan ang best basketball player ng kasaysayan. Para maniwala ka ay patunay ang Game 6 nang kunin ni MJ ang panalo kay Brian Russell at madaming kuponan pa ang tinapos ni Michael Jordan.
3 seconds. Jordan scores up shot clock. Oh, yes! Win. Michael Jordan saves the day. The Bulls offense down in the mud the entire fourth quarter. Jordan with 2 seconds left. Jordan to win. Michael Jordan. Jordan for the win. Yes! I did it again!
Top of the key. Moves up at the buzzer. He did it again.
To come. 2.5 seconds. Jordan again. He has done it again. Almost from the same spot. Sellers has Jordan. Jordan with 2 seconds to go. Puts it up and scores at the buzzer. Michael Jordan has won it for Chicago. We're down to 2. Now to 1. Here's Jordan. Yes. It's all over.
At yun na nga ang mga pagkakataon na pinahiya ni Michael Jordan ang kanyang kalaban. Alin dito ang tumatak para sa iyo? Kung may iba ka pang alam na pambihirang pagkakataon ni MJ na hindi ko na isali sa video, ay maaari mo din itong i-share sa comment section. May mga ibang kakaibang videos din sa ating channel na maaari mo ding panoorin. Salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli!